Happy New Year! 新年快乐 Lunar New Year is the most important holiday, and 2023 is the year of the rabbit, the fourth zodiac animal. I'll share when the years of rabbit are, when the Lunar New Year is, what we eat, what we do, and useful phrases. Let's have fun! January 22nd, 2023 is the year of the rabbit, and these are all rabbit years. Chinese lunar calendar determines the date of the Lunar New Year, 21 to 51 days behind the Gregorian calendar, between January 21st and February 20th. From Chinese New Year's Eve to the Lantern Festival, celebrations last 16 days, and we have 除夕 Lunar New Year's Eve, 大年初一 New Year's Day, 元宵节 Lantern Festival. Many Lunar New Year traditions involve eating, and having must-have dishes is essential. Some restaurants stay open during the holidays because nowadays people might not have enough time to prepare and want to relax. Other business may close during the New Year holidays. Here are some vocabularies relate to what we eat. For family reunions, we have 年夜饭 together, and it's on 除夕 dinner. 除夕 is Lunar New Year's Eve, one day before the New Year. 年 means year, 夜 is night, and 饭 is rice. Or we can also say 团圆饭, and 团圆 means reunion. What do we eat? It depends on each family, but there is some food in common. 吃 is to eat. We have 火锅, a hot pot, and 火 is fire, 锅 a pot. 火锅 is a general name, and during the New Year, the hot pot we have with our families, we say 围炉. 围 is to surround, and 炉 is a stove. 水饺, 橘子, 鱼 are also popular, and we believe they'll bring good luck. Let me explain them one by one. 水饺, dumplings. The shape of dumplings is like 元宝, and 元宝 is a kind of ancient Chinese currency made of gold or silver. Eating dumplings bring money in the new year. 橘子, oranges. 橘 sounds similar to 吉, good luck. We often say 大吉, 大利. 大 is big, and both 吉利 mean good luck. 鱼 fish. 鱼 has the same pronunciation as 鱼, surplus, remaining. We say 年年有余, have abundance year after year, a prosperous life. How do we celebrate Lunar New Year? What traditions and festivities? Spring cleaning, 大扫除. 扫 means to wipe, and 除 is to remove. We clean our homes before New Year, wipe windows, dust surfaces, and remove old junk. Clearing out clutter makes room for good luck in the new year. Sweeping away the dust removes any bad luck from the previous year. Red couplet, 春联. We remove old 春联 from the doors as part of the cleaning. New ones will mark the lunar year. 春联 contains messages or poems that bring good luck to us. Reunions, 团圆. Most people will spend New Year's Eve and day with their parents or grandparents, then visit their relatives on the second day. Because of this tradition, high-speed rail, trains, and highways are full of people during this time as everyone heads back home. Red envelopes, 红包. 红包 is a well-known tradition. 红包 containing fresh, new banknotes is gifts, but it depends. For me, as long as it's money, I love it. Families will give children 红包 after they start to work. Older children give 红包 to elder relatives to show gratitude for raising them. How to give 红包 is important. Your financial situation affects this, but giving too much or too little can offend, and even numbers are considered lucky. However, 4 is an exception, an unlucky number, because it sounds similar to death. Firecrackers, 鞭炮. Firecrackers are common during New Year. Tradition says New Year firecrackers will drive away a monster named Nian. Today they symbolize banishing bad luck and the evil spirits and starting anew. New Year's Eve isn't quiet, and the people set off firecrackers at midnight. Dragon and Lion Dance. 舞龙, 舞狮龙, dragon, 狮 lion, and 舞 to dance. The lion dance, 舞狮, is a traditional dance in which performers mimic a lion's movement to bring good luck. One dancer controls the lion's head while the other forms the back. It's different from the dragon dance, 舞龙, which involves holding the dragon's body on poles. Wear red clothes, 穿红衣. We celebrate New Year with new clothes to symbolize a fresh start. Red is the color of good luck, so children often wear it at this time. Many adults wear red underwear or socks, even if you can't see them. Avoid negativity and sharp objects. Some people believe using sharp objects or negative words during New Year will bring bad luck. If something breaks, we say 岁岁平安. 岁 is to break into pieces and has the same pronunciation as 岁 year. 平安 is safe and sound. Breaking something during the new year is said to portend future losses, bad luck, or family argument. So we will say 岁岁平安 to prevent bad luck. Useful phrases: 农历新年 Lunar New Year. 农 relates to agriculture. 历 is a calendar and 农历 lunar calendar. 新年快乐 Happy New Year. The most common greeting during the New Year. 恭喜发财 May you have a prosperous New Year. 恭喜 is to greet, and 发财 is to make a fortune. 红包拿来 Give me red envelopes. We say 红包拿来 right after 恭喜发财, but somehow no one will give you 红包 if you're an adult. Well, worth trying, right? Which part of the New Year celebration do you like the most? I'd like to see the reasons in the comment sections. I like being a kid getting 红包 from adults.